1. Wrap your drink in a damp towel before freezing it and it will cool faster. 2. Paint the keys with nail polish to easily identify them. 3. Cut the strips on the sides to make them more effective. 4. Use hot spaghetti to reach the wick of a candle. 5. Separate the egg yolks with a bottle of water. 6. Clean the blender with hot water and soap while it is on. 7. Make a hole in the leftovers to heat them evenly. 8. Eliminate the bad smell of the shoes with tea bags. 9. Soften the butter by placing it under a hot cup. 10. Turn the mouth of the box when pouring liquids to avoid splashes. 11. Cover the sink when unloading it to avoid germs. 12. Sharpen the scissors by cutting aluminum foil.